How to enable gyroscope in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now we in the settings interface. Basically, this is the place where you can find different options and even customize it. So you must be in this control section. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find a section of gyroscope. So what is gyroscope? Basically, when you move your mobile device, there will be tilt in the character too. So this is a feature that gamers use inside the gameplay. Now in order to enable it, simply tap on enable and it's done. Now you can simply go back and you can start playing the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.